Alrighty, what is good, you guys? Today we're gonna be installing this cold air intake I got from eBay for 35 bucks, 40 bucks. And yeah, it's just gonna be me installing it into my car. So if I can find a good spot to put my phone. Okay, there is no good spot to mount my phone. I hope that doesn't fall. Alright. So remove this panel, right?
Yeah.
Alright, remove nose under that guy, and then there's clips around that. Oh shoot, the sensor. Wiggle it out. Okay, the other side. Cool. This here. Alright, those are 12 mils. Okay, this should just, yep. So now, this guy. Alright, so I have to get a bunch of extension stuff to get to that hole. Yeah, cool. Okay, so this L bracket slips under the ring, just like that, and then I can fit that guy in. It should be good. Alright, so we got it installed, all tightened up. Now we just gotta wiggle in the sensor. I have a zip tie to this bracket, I screwed it down, and then, yep, just wiggle it in.
It's gonna be loose too. No bueno. You need to fill. You're gonna snug it with black tape.